Today in our channel we are going to see how to prepare chicken shawarma. So first we are going to prepare the goopers for the base. So I have taken yeast and sugar over here. First we have to let it to ferment. So I am adding 1 spoon of yeast and 1 spoon of sugar. We are adding sugar so that the yeast get fermented. Adding sugar is compulsory, so please do add sugar. Now I am going to add hot water. That is 1/4 cup. I am adding hot water over here. And we have to let it to ferment for 10 minutes. Actually I am going to add wheat flour over here. I am not adding maida. So let it ferment. Meanwhile we can marinate the chicken. So I have taken boneless chicken piece over here. We can chop it and then add masala, or we can directly add masala to it. Now I am adding oil, 1 spoon of oil. I am using olive oil. We can use any oil if you want. Salt, and give it a good mix first, and then we can add in the rest of the masalas. I am adding half spoon of chili powder. I am adding only half spoon because I am going to add paprika powder, which is also spicy. So I am adding half spoon of paprika powder now. If we don't have paprika powder, add 1 spoon of chili powder, and then garam masala, coriander powder and jeera powder. But over here I am adding paprika, so I am not adding any other rest of the things. I am just adding garam masala over here. That is half spoon of garam masala, and give it a good mix. Now I am adding little bit of lime juice, that is 2 to 3 drops of lime juice. And I am going to add 1/4 spoon of turmeric. And half spoon of curd and 1/4 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Give a good mix and marinate aside. Meanwhile, now see our yeast has been fermented. Now I am going to add 1 cup of wheat flour. You can prepare it using maida also, but for an healthier option I have taken wheat flour over here. And I am adding half spoon of salt. And mix it thoroughly, and we can start kneading. We can add water and knead it. Now I am adding little bit of oil and resting aside for 1 hour. We should leave the flour to rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we can prepare the garlic sauce. I have chopped 3 cloves of garlic. I am adding a pinch of salt and half lemon juice. Now we can grind it. After giving a small grind, I am adding in the egg, that is 1 egg white I have added. And I am adding oil. I have used olive oil over here. You can add it little by little. I have taken 100 ml of oil. Now again add the oil. We have to not add it immediately. We have to add it slowly so that we get the perfect consistency. If we add it all at once, we won't get that perfect consistency. And when you get the enough thickness, you can stop adding oil. If you want more thickness, you can add more oil also. Now see, our garlic paste is ready. Now I am going to prepare the chicken. So in a tawa I am adding oil and keeping the chicken to fry. So I already told you, if you want, you can chop it into pieces and then marinate and fry. I'm just frying it directly and then cutting it into pieces. Now our chicken is ready. I have already chopped vegetables over here. That is 1 onion, 1 tomato, little bit of cabbage, half carrot and half cucumber. Now see, I am chopping the chickens over here. So into the vegetables I am adding half of the garlic paste which we prepared and giving a good thorough mix. Now we can add in the chopped chicken into the vegetable mix and mix it thoroughly. See, our shawarma mix is ready. Meanwhile, we can check the wheat flour. See, our bread is almost fluffy and ready. So we can start kneading it. Just knead it for 1 minute and then we can prepare the guppus. Actually, I am taking small slices of guppus over here. If you want, we can prepare big ones if you have enough space. I'm just preparing small sheets over here. So in a pan, add little bit of oil and put in the rolled dough. So you can see after some time bubbles are rising. See, bubbles are arising. Turn it side, cook well until turns golden brown. See, you have to cook it like this and take out. Now we can prepare all the guppus sheets. Now after preparing, I am adding in the garlic spread. And little bit of ketchup. We can skip ketchup if you want. And now we can add a little bit of the filling. We can directly have it or we can heat it a little bit and then have it. See, our homemade shawarma is ready. That too using wheat flour. Please do try it at your homes. Hope so you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.